Welcome to our deep dive into semiconductor yield management and defect analysis. In the world of semiconductor manufacturing, yield refers to the percentage of functional chips produced from a wafer. High yield is crucial for profitability and efficiency, as even minor defects can lead to significant losses. In this video, we'll explore the strategies and technologies used to maximize yield, identify defects, and ensure quality in every chip. Whether you're a student, engineer, or just curious about how your devices are made, this journey will shed light on the invisible battles fought in cleanrooms worldwide. Yield in semiconductor terms is the ratio of good chips to the total number of chips on a wafer. It's a key metric that determines the success of a manufacturing process. A high yield means more usable chips, lower costs, and higher profits. Conversely, low yield signals problems in the process, often due to defects or contamination. Understanding yield is the first step toward improving it, and that's why companies invest heavily in yield management systems and defect analysis tools. Yield isn't just a number, it's a direct measure of manufacturing efficiency and product quality. In the competitive semiconductor industry, even a small improvement in yield can translate to millions in savings. High yield reduces waste, maximizes equipment usage, and ensures that customers receive reliable products. That's why yield management is a top priority for every chipmaker, from startups to industry giants. Defects are the tiny imperfections that can render a chip non-functional. They might be caused by dust, equipment errors, or process variations. Some defects are visible under a microscope, while others are only detected through electrical testing. Identifying and understanding these defects is essential for improving yield. By classifying defects, engineers can trace their origins and implement corrective actions. There are many types of defects in semiconductor manufacturing. Some are particulate, like dust or debris. Others are process-related, such as pattern misalignments or etching errors. Still others are electrical, only showing up during testing. Each type requires a different detection and mitigation strategy. Understanding the nature of defects helps engineers target their efforts and improve overall yield. Yield management systems are specialized software and hardware tools designed to monitor, analyze, and improve yield throughout the manufacturing process. These systems collect data from various stages, flag anomalies, and provide actionable insights. By integrating real-time monitoring with historical analysis, yield management systems empower engineers to make informed decisions and quickly address issues before they escalate. Accurate data collection is the backbone of yield management. Sensors and inspection tools gather information at every step, from wafer fabrication to final testing. This data includes images, measurements, and test results, all of which are stored for analysis. The more comprehensive the data, the easier it is to spot trends, identify root causes, and implement improvements. Modern semiconductor fabs use advanced inspection tools to detect and classify defects. These include optical microscopes, electron microscopes, and automated inspection systems. Each tool has its strengths, from spotting surface particles to revealing submicron flaws. The choice of tool depends on the process stage and the types of defects most likely to occur. Defect analysis can happen at different stages. Inlay inspection occurs during the manufacturing process, allowing for immediate feedback and correction. End-of-line inspection happens after all processing is complete, providing a final check before chips are shipped. Both approaches are important, and many fabs use a combination to maximize yield and minimize waste. Statistical process control, or SPC, is a key method for maintaining high yield. By tracking process parameters and defect rates over time, engineers can spot trends and intervene before problems arise. SPC uses charts and statistical models to distinguish between normal variation and true process shifts, ensuring that corrective actions are timely and effective. When a defect is found, the next step is root cause analysis. This process involves tracing the defect back to its origin, whether it's a contaminated tool, a process variation, or a material issue. By identifying the root cause, engineers can implement targeted fixes and prevent similar defects in the future, steadily improving yield. Yield loss mapping is a visual tool that shows where defects are most common on a wafer or across a production line. By mapping defect locations, engineers can spot patterns such as clusters near the wafer edge or in certain process steps. This information guides process adjustments and equipment maintenance, helping to boost yield. Optimizing the manufacturing process is a continuous effort. Engineers adjust parameters, test new materials, and refine equipment settings to minimize defects and maximize yield. Every change is carefully monitored for its impact, and successful strategies are standardized across production lines. This relentless pursuit of perfection is what drives the industry forward. Cleanrooms are the heart of semiconductor manufacturing. These ultra-clean environments are designed to keep out dust and contaminants that could cause defects. Workers wear special suits and air is constantly filtered. Maintaining cleanroom standards is essential for high yield, as even a single particle can ruin multiple chips. Quality of raw materials like silicon wafers and chemicals directly affects yield. Suppliers are carefully vetted and incoming materials are tested for purity and consistency. Any variation can introduce defects, so strict quality control is a must. This attention to detail ensures that every chip starts with the best possible foundation. Manufacturing equipment must be meticulously maintained to prevent defects. Regular cleaning, calibration, and upgrades keep tools running smoothly. Any malfunction can lead to widespread yield loss, so predictive maintenance and real-time monitoring are standard practices in modern fabs. People play a crucial role in yield management. Training, attention to detail, and adherence to protocols all impact defect rates. Human error can introduce defects, but a skilled and vigilant workforce helps catch issues early and maintain high standards throughout production. Many fabs have dedicated yield enhancement teams. These groups of engineers and analysts focus solely on improving yield, investigating defects, and implementing best practices. Their expertise and cross-functional collaboration are key to staying ahead of problems and driving continuous improvement. Yield management is an ongoing cycle. Data from each production run is analyzed, lessons are learned, and processes are refined. This feedback loop ensures that every batch of chips is better than the last and that improvements are shared across the organization. The rise of big data has transformed yield management. Advanced analytics and machine learning algorithms can sift through massive datasets, uncovering subtle patterns and predicting defects before they occur. This proactive approach helps fabs stay competitive and deliver higher quality products. Machine learning is increasingly used to analyze defect data and optimize processes. Algorithms can classify defects, predict yield loss, and suggest process adjustments. As these tools become more sophisticated, they enable faster, more accurate decision-making and drive continuous yield improvement. Yield dashboards provide real-time visibility into production performance. Engineers and managers can monitor key metrics, track trends, and quickly respond to issues. These dashboards are customizable, allowing users to focus on the data most relevant to their roles. Yield and quality are closely related but not identical. High yield means more functional chips, while high quality ensures those chips meet all specifications. Sometimes, improving yield can compromise quality, so a careful balance is needed. The best fabs achieve both through rigorous process control and defect management. Low yield has a direct financial impact. More defective chips mean higher costs per good chip, wasted materials, and lost revenue. That's why yield management is not just a technical challenge but a business imperative. Investing in yield improvement pays off in both the short and long term. Benchmarking yield against industry standards helps fabs gauge their performance. By comparing results with peers, companies can identify areas for improvement and set realistic goals. Benchmarking also fosters a culture of continuous improvement and healthy competition. Yield management starts in research and development. New processes and materials are tested for their impact on yield before being scaled up for mass production. Early detection of yield issues in R&D saves time and money, ensuring a smoother transition to manufacturing. As chip features shrink, yield management becomes even more challenging. Advanced nodes are more sensitive to defects, requiring tighter process control and more sophisticated analysis tools. Success at these cutting-edge nodes depends on the industry's best practices and relentless innovation. Improving yield isn't just good for business, it's good for the environment. Higher yield means less waste, lower energy consumption, and more efficient use of resources. Sustainable manufacturing practices are increasingly important, and yield management plays a key role in achieving them. The future of yield management will be shaped by artificial intelligence, automation, and new materials. As chips become more complex, the tools and techniques for managing yield must evolve. Staying ahead of these trends is essential for maintaining competitiveness in the fast-moving semiconductor industry. Semiconductor yield management and defect analysis are at the core of modern electronics manufacturing. By combining advanced technology, rigorous process control, and a culture of continuous improvement, the industry delivers the reliable chips that power our world. As we look to the future, ongoing innovation and collaboration will ensure that yield remains high and defects stay low, driving progress for years to come.